Thank you for your interest in the College of Engineering Accelerated Master's Programs. This video will guide you through key tips and insights to help you craft a strong statement of purpose. I'm an enrollment coach for the engineering graduate programs here at UW, and in this role, I help prospective students learn more about the programs, help find the right program for them, and guide them through the application process. My contact information is listed on this slide and will be provided again at the end of the video if you have additional questions after watching. Before we explore the best practices for your statement of purpose, I encourage you to begin your application process by visiting UW-Madison's guide at guide.wisc.edu. There, you can search for your program of interest to review the admission requirements. This resource offers detailed information and helpful insights about the program and how to apply successfully. Now let's focus on the statement of purpose. Every program requires applicants to submit one, often referred to as SOP. It's important to create a unique statement for each program you apply to. Use your statement of purpose to answer what academic or professional experiences uniquely qualify you for this program. Why are you applying to this program at UW-Madison? What do you plan to do with your degree once you graduate? Share details about your academic and professional goals, progress toward your goals, undergraduate degree, related projects, work experience, and how UW-Madison can help you reach your goals. Next, let's talk about formatting considerations for your statement of purpose. Keep your essay concise, ideally under 2 pages or no more than 1,000 words. Another important consideration is the coherence of your essay. Avoid long, complex sentences. They can make your essay harder to read. If you need to read a sentence more than once to understand it, consider shortening it. Introduce acronyms by spelling out the full name first. Example, University of Wisconsin-Madison, UW-Madison, or College of Engineering, COE. When starting a new paragraph, stick to one main idea per paragraph. Begin each paragraph with a topic sentence that signals what the paragraph will cover. Start a new paragraph when transitioning to a new topic, idea, or time frame. Let's focus on crafting your introductory paragraph. Start by clearly stating the topics you will address in your essay. If your essay includes a personal story, make sure you address the essential details: who, what, where, when, why, and how. Include the exact name of the program you are applying to. An example is the Electrical and Computer Engineering, Machine Learning, and Signal Processing MS, instead of simply stating Electrical and Computer Engineering MS program. Graduate schools often have programs with similar names, so using the precise title in your opening paragraph helps reviewers immediately understand your intent. Finally, consider the tone of your essay. Aim to present yourself modestly and authentically. Avoid exaggeration or sounding egotistical. A helpful approach is to express enthusiasm for what you've accomplished, rather than simply listing achievements. This conveys your excitement for learning and growth, which is key in a graduate application. Let's transition to the main body of your statement of purpose. As you move into the core section of your essay, keep these principles in mind. Prioritize relevance. Highlight your related major, coursework, and experiences that best demonstrate your fit for the program. Depth over breadth. Focus on a few significant experiences rather than listing everything. Provide rich detail and insight. Show, don't tell. Use specific examples to illustrate your skills and growth, instead of making broad claims. Ground your narrative. Avoid generalizations. Explain what you did, why it mattered, and what you learned from each experience. Strategic repetition. It's okay to reference activities mentioned elsewhere in your application materials, example, resume or CV, but only if you add new context or insight. Connect the dots. For each experience, address why it matters to the admissions committee, why it was meaningful for your personal and academic journey. Maintain consistent detail. Avoid spending excessive time on one section while glossing over another. Strive for a balanced level of depth throughout your essay. Adopt a growth-oriented approach. Frame your experiences around personal and academic development. For each key point, consider, what did you learn? Why was it exciting or meaningful? How did it make you a stronger candidate? Addressing academic challenges, lower GPA. If you need to discuss a semester with grades below expectations, keep it concise and constructive. Use the 30-70 rule. 30% briefly explain what happened, but keep this short and factual. 70% focus on how you grew from the experience, what you learned, how you adapted, and how it shaped you into a better candidate. Admissions committees often value resilience and growth. Demonstrating how you overcame setbacks can be one of the most compelling parts of your essay. Keep these points in mind as you craft the main body of your essay to ensure it is compelling, focused, and reflective of your unique path. Now let's shift gears to talk about how to write about the graduate program you are applying to. Show you've done your research. Demonstrate familiarity with the university and the program's strengths, faculty, resources, and unique opportunities. Balance your content. Ensure this section has a similar level of detail as other parts of your essay. Avoid making it too brief or overly dominant. Connect the you and the you. Explain how the program's offerings align with your background and aspirations. Specifically, how do the program's opportunities connect to your past experiences? How will they help you achieve your academic or career goals? Admissions committees want to see that you're not only a strong candidate, but also a great fit for their program. Make this section personal, specific, and forward-looking. Here are some final considerations. Concluding paragraph. Use this space to reiterate and summarize your key points. Emphasize enthusiasm for the program and your future goals. Avoid introducing new information. Keep the focus on what you've already shared. Read your essay aloud. If a sentence feels awkward or hard to read, consider rewriting it for clarity, splitting it into two shorter sentences, removing unnecessary details that don't strengthen your point. Gather feedback. Remember, writing is an iterative process. Expect to go through multiple revisions before your essay feels polished. As you continue your journey toward applying to a UW-Madison graduate program, explore these helpful resources. Scan the QR code on the left blue tile to learn about our accelerated engineering program options. These pages include details on deadlines, program requirements, and required application materials. The middle red tile QR code links to our podcast series, where you'll find insights and tips to help your graduate application stand out. The right yellow tile QR code connects you to our curated YouTube playlist featuring program overviews, application guidance, career services, and more. Thank you for watching this Statement of Purpose video. Be sure to complete your application by the deadline. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by phone or email. Thank you again for joining us today, and on Wisconsin!